Welcome to Roundstone Car Sales. As a family-run business since the 70s, we offer when buying a car from us, a 365-day warranty plus a 365-day MOT, unlike a lot of our competitors online and offline who will normally only give you the remainder of the MOT, plus our cars are MOT and serviced by independent garages, just so our customers know that we have no say over any work. We check all our cars on the HPI register, and will never charge you for that, unlike a lot of our online competitors do. Also, unlike a lot of our competitors who charge their customers an admin fee for the privilege of buying a car from them. But here at Roundstone Car Sales, we will never charge our customers an admin fee, and all what we offer is why we are trading standards approved for our customers' peace of mind. So, call Jeff and Adrian on 01903776266 and book your test drive today. Take a look at this stunning 2017 Nissan Qashqai N-CONNECTA DCI. This has only done 20,080 miles from new and is only one owner and comes with service history and both keys. It has touchscreen sat-nav audio media system with Bluetooth and USB input and also air conditioning. This also has panoramic glass roof with electric sunblind, plus, it also comes with 6-speed gearbox and cruise control, and this has some great safety features such as lane departure warning, ISO fixing points and ABS braking and multiple airbags plus child locks. These are just some of the specification, so why not come along and take a look around today.